Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to another video. So I just wanted to make a really quick short little video. It's actually really late at night. It's like 11 p.m. and I just filmed this makeup tutorial. So check it out if you want to. It's not my favorite, but I think since I put on this pink hoodie, it's like a little bit more cute, and I've been like filming TikToks and just being like my millennial self because I just feel super Y2K in this outfit right here. So at least I got some TikToks and Snapchats out of it, but I would just never wear this makeup in public, that's for sure. But I wanted to give you guys a couple of tips. So for anybody who is a small YouTuber or thinking about making a YouTube channel, I just wanted to give you a few small YouTuber tips because these will definitely be helpful for you for quite a while, depending on how fast your channel grows or has been growing. So if you guys want to learn some small YouTuber tips from me, things that I've learned in my 5 years on YouTube, then just stay tuned. Okay, so the first tip that I want to give you guys is do something that makes you happy. Don't do something just because it's a trend and just because it's going to get views, because you will burn out very, very quickly. Trust me on this. Do something that is true to yourself. Do something that you're passionate about and something that you really like. Because if you do something if you do something that is not very true to you, then you're gonna burn out very quickly. You're gonna get very bored and you're gonna be uninspired. So that's my first tip, is do something that you're passionate about. Talk about things that you're passionate about, whether they're popular or not. People can see when you are passionate about something. People can see when you enjoy making the videos that you're making, and ultimately that's going to get you the views. Tip number 2 is don't think that you're gonna come and make a channel and make all this money. If you think that you're going to make a lot of money on YouTube and that's why you're doing it, you're sadly mistaken. I will let you know right now, I've been doing YouTube for 5 years and I probably make $150 every 2 months. So that's what, about $75 a month, I guess, which is, you know, with everything that I put into it, all of my time, all of my energy, the makeup that I wear, doing my hair, dyeing my hair, spending money at Walmart, spending money at Dollar Tree, I'm in the hole. It's not like I'm really making money. I'm just getting a little bit back from what I've spent on this channel. I've bought tripods, I've bought the phone mount for my car. Like I've put in a lot of money, not the most money. I don't have a camera, I use my phone. It's just a more affordable way to do it, and I think the phone quality is pretty good if you have a more recent iPhone. But I've still put in a lot of money to my channel and to entertaining you guys and to still do things that interest me. I've put a lot of money towards it. So it's not really like I'm profiting at this moment. I'm kind of just getting some money back of what I've spent for my channel. So that's one thing, is don't go into this too money hungry. I love money, don't get me wrong. I hope to make more money from this, trust me. But if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be able to continue doing it because it's not making enough money to, you don't make enough money to like dislike it. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm still buzzing. I drank tonight, so I think that makes sense. But because I love what I do, I'm okay with not making that much money. But if I hated this, I could not deal because it doesn't make enough money for all the time that I spend on it, if that makes sense. So yeah, you will not make millions overnight, guys. Trust. But if you really, really enjoy not only filming and not only being on camera, but it's about the editing. Like, you have to enjoy editing. I truly enjoy editing. I enjoy being creative and comedic and also true and real and raw. I just enjoy all those different aspects of being on camera and filming and editing. So it's an interest that I've always had, even since middle school. I was like in a photography class and I was a photographer for our field trips, and it was always just something that I really loved doing. I always wanted to be sort of like a model, and I would take pictures of myself, and I just love talking to myself. So yeah, it's just something that I really love. So I don't mind that it's taking a while to build the money. Tip number 3 is be careful who you trust. As a small YouTuber, I have received so many emails for collaborations, from companies who are wanting to send me their products to try them on camera in exchange, whatever. I haven't had a sponsored video yet, and I realize I'm a small YouTuber, but they really but they really go for the like 2,000 to 5,000 subscriber range. They really are gonna like channel those YouTubers. They're gonna come to you, they're gonna email you, and they're gonna say, hey, we've got this product, we want to give you this discount code and it's 50% off and you can try it and then talk about it on your videos. And you don't know how many times I have to turn people down. I have turned down so many companies. They want me to be their brand ambassador, they want me to represent their company, and I, after some years, have smartened up and realize that I can tell them no. Because at first you get so excited, like, oh my God, I'm getting discounts. They're gonna give me a discount code. What? They're gonna give me an affiliate link? Oh my gosh, this is like what I've dreamed of. This is so cool. But no, honey, if they're asking you to buy their products and you weren't the one who approached them, like, excuse me? I'm sorry. You're the one that needs me. I never knew that your product existed. You need me. So if you want me to try your product, you send it to me for free of charge, free of shipping. I will then try it out for a week or so, depending on what the product is. If I enjoy the product, I will then talk about it on my YouTube channel. And you don't know how many times these companies are like, I'm sorry, we can't give it to you for free, but here's a discount code and one you can give to your friends and your family and it'll be great. And you know what? We'll even do free shipping for you. No. You're the one who approached me. I never went looking for your product. I don't need your product. I'm living fine without your product. So why the hell would I be like, oh yeah, you know what? I wasn't planning on buying that today, but let me just buy it because you emailed me. No, just make sure that you're smart, because you will get bullied. And I don't say that to be mean. I have been bullied. I have been made to feel stupid, and just watch your back, because they will come for you. And anybody who's stupid enough to buy the stuff, you know, they're gonna take advantage of you, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. Now, if you're really interested in the product and they send you a discount code and you're like, oh my God, I wanted to buy that anyways, this is awesome, then do you, boo. But for me personally, it's always random ass companies that sell watches or sunglasses that are like $50 a pop, or like jewelry that's like $60 a pop. I just got approached by a company for like protein powders and pre-workouts and stuff like that, which I'm interested in, but I'm not about to buy it. If I wanted to buy it, I would have bought it already by myself. If you want to send it, they wanted me to be a brand ambassador. And I don't mind doing that if I stand by your product, if I really like the product that you're offering. But if you're not going to let me try that out free of charge at first to see if I want to represent you, then I don't want to work with you. Then I can't really trust you. That's what I feel like. You have to build a trust with these companies. So currently, I have 2 companies that I am affiliate of, and that's Iro Colors for the semi-permanent hair color, and they're very trustworthy. I've always had an affiliate link with them that I make commissions off of. They've always sent me free hair dye. If I want it, they'll send it to me. They sent me free hair dye the first time, no questions asked, and even after that, I asked if I could have hair dye for a giveaway. They sent it for free, no questions asked. And anytime I want to dye my hair a semi-permanent color and I've said, hey, could you send over this color? They send it free of charge, no questions asked, because we have a mutual understanding that they're not paying me for sponsored videos, which is like, you know, once my channel grows bigger, I'm gonna stop doing these things for free. If I really like a product and I'm gonna talk about a product, I'd like to do sponsored videos because that's where the money is at. But we have an understanding that my channel is still small. And since they're not paying me to make the videos, I'm mentioning them so they don't have a problem sending me free product because they know I'm going to mention it in my videos because I'm using it. So it's kind of just like a trust that we have, and I'm totally fine with that at this current moment with how many subscribers I have. The other company is the Hi-O company with the reusable menstrual pads and the boob tape, and we have a good understanding as well. I have a commission link with them, and of course all of these links are down below if you guys ever need to use them and you choose to support me. Like, bless you, I really appreciate it always. Of course you don't have to, but yeah, we have a really good understanding, and they sent me the products free of charge, no questions asked, and whenever they want me to post for them, they pay me for that. And it's not a large amount right now because my channel is still very small and I feel like I can't ask for more. I've tried to ask for more and we've negotiated a price, but as of now it's just a small amount, but still I'm getting paid. If I ever post about them, I get paid for it, and that's something that I really appreciate. So just make sure you have a good understanding with the companies that you work with. Make sure it's fair, make sure they're treating you right, because as a small YouTuber of like somebody who doesn't have any other YouTuber friends, it's like I don't know who to ask sometimes. Like, are they lowballing me? Are they taking advantage of me? I had to really think about it and play it out in my mind. You have to be professional because like this is your business and you got to take care of yourself. You're the only one who's got your back. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're your own boss. So just really think it through when you're about to work with a company. I know it's exciting to get free product. It's exciting to be associated with a company. Just make sure that they're not lowballing you and know your worth. And that's really the biggest thing, is you can charge whatever you want to charge to post something or to talk about something in a video. That is your choice. Know your own worth. Take into account how many views you get a day or on each video, how many times you upload a week. Take into account how many subscribers you have. Take everything into account. So my channel has a lot of views overall. I have almost 500,000 views on my whole channel, and I feel like for as many subscribers as I have, which is not that many, like I think it's 3,400 or so, that's a lot of views for only 3,400 subscribers. So I know that my videos can reach tons of people. It can reach a large platform. It has the potential to reach that many people. So that's why I like to make sure that I'm not getting taken advantage of, because there are some channels that have the same amount of subscribers as me and they maybe only have 100,000 views on their whole entire channel. So I feel like I should charge more, for instance, than that channel because mine has reached so many more viewers, if that makes sense. So you just have to take everything into account. Make sure they're not lowballing you. Make sure they're not taking advantage of you. Know your worth. Yeah, I think I hit all the points with that one. Tip number 4 is be consistent. Be super, super, super consistent, you guys. It's gonna show. However much you work on your channel, it's going to show. If you don't work that much on your channel, you're not gonna get that many views. You're not gonna show up in the news feed of people's YouTube's news feed. I can't even speak right now. I want to say the For You page, like from TikTok. But yeah, you're not gonna show up in people's news feed if you only post once a month. Okay, you need to stay relevant and post as much as possible. Now this can get tricky because there's a gray area. If you're not feeling it, if you say you've posted like 4 times a week for the past like 4 weeks and you're just on it, right? You're on it. And then you have 1 week where you're just not feeling it. You're not feeling yourself. You're not feeling motivated. You're not feeling inspired. Don't post then. That's okay. Don't post then. Because it's gonna be more negative to your channel to post when you're not feeling it and to just put on a front. It's just gonna have more of a negative effect on your channel than if you're really feeling a video and you're really excited, you know? Unless it's something serious that happened and you really need to talk about it, then people really like that too. Don't be afraid to open up. Don't be afraid to be raw. But if you are not wanting to do that, then, you know, just take a few days and then find your inspiration again. So I got inspired tonight. I didn't think I was gonna film. I didn't think I was gonna put makeup on, and something hit me and I just wanted to start filming. So whenever you have that spark, try to film. If you can, just try. And if you can't, then write down your ideas into a book. That's what I do, so I don't forget the video ideas that come into my mind. And my last tip for you guys is just to load up the tag section. When you're uploading your video, make sure that you load it up with tags. I put tons of tags, but I'm sure you can look up on Google the most popular YouTube tags that people search. But I just do a lot of random ones and some that pertain to the video and some regular like generic ones that I like to do for every video is how to, style, fashion, low carb, keto, vlog, just like random stuff like that. And then I'll just, of course, tag it to something that has to do with the video. So don't forget that tag section because people search by keyword a lot, and that's going to help you be found or be discovered. So I think that's it. Those are all that popped into my mind. Really, the most important one is not getting scammed by companies, not getting lowballed and taken advantage of, because they will take advantage of the small YouTubers. I've seen it happen. It's happened to me. Just watch your back and be smart about it. And I always just have to tell myself, like, if this was a corporate business, what would the right answer be? And I have to just put my boss bitch on and really think about it. So I hope that this was helpful in some way for you guys. And give it a thumbs up if it was, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you're not already, and I'll just see you guys in the next video. Bye.